Super excited about the drone show that is taking place at Sky's Hotel. I found out the details on the internet and I was so excited about it. I couldn't wait to get there and attend it. So I called some of my friends so we could go together. And unfortunately, we didn't really plan it well. I think some more information, better planning for it and information would have really helped. Comes after like which neighborhood? Comes after which neighborhood? So quick outfit check. This is what I wore. So I think with more communication we could have planned the event better so we could manage our time better. So deciding where we would go watch the drone show ended up having me running around the city. So at least I managed to catch some of the highlights. And yeah, it was so beautiful, guys. Super beautiful. I like how technology can be used in such fascinating ways. So I'm going to show you guys the snippets of how it went. Keep watching. Oh. Wow. Look at that. So beautiful. Over here we see a depiction of Uganda Airlines. Flying in or out of Uganda, do make it a point to fly Uganda Airlines, the PAL. Over here we see a symbol for improved healthcare. In commemoration of the presidential inauguration ceremony, Uganda held its first ever drone show. It was surely beautiful. Such a beautiful sight to behold. Amazing, the wonderful things that technology has been able to bring to the global stage. And today we see Uganda participating. I loved all the views. So I guess I'll just show you a quick drive around Kampala and the beautiful skyline of Kampala. So over here we see the Yusuf Lule Road, and in the background we see the Uganda Golf Course, and at the horizon we see Kololo Hill. Super beautiful evening views of Kampala, I must admit. Very beautiful. Are you looking for ways to invest? What I like to call the winds of trade are shifting to Africa. So are you looking to invest in Africa? Are you looking to invest in Uganda? Some of the sectors you could consider include agriculture, mineral processing, real estate, tourism, and so much more. Do make it a point to visit Uganda. Do make it a point to consider investing in Uganda. Yeah, so we also have opportunities in renewable energy, in manufacturing. thanks for watching, guys. In case you haven't yet subscribed, do hit the subscribe button, because it's definitely the best way that you can support this channel. Until next time, auf Wiedersehen, au revoir, Jambo, Mwelaba, and bye.